I think one of the biggest trends that continues to happen into 2017 and beyond is the growth of the ductless mini-split and VRF segments of the industry. In 2016, ductless mini-splits grew by about 15%. In 2017, VRF segment grew by about 15%.
I'm overwhelmed at the breadth and depth of the technology and products and services that are provided. I think when I look at what we've got within the new JCI, we've got as much breadth and depth as anyone in the space that we compete in, and it's our ability now to be able to utilize all of that capability and truly differentiate what we can do for the customers that we serve.
In 2017, we believe the major trend in the industry is going to be the continued sophistication of controls. No longer do we have simple thermostats with an on-off function. We have very integrated controls where we envision that things such as your iPhone and your tablet will interface with the temperature controls for your building, for your home, and that we will see considerable advancement in the technology relating to these smart devices that we all carry in our pockets.
Yeah, so with the release of our Wi-Fi module, which it's retrofittable back several generations of our products, the Rinnai products are basically going to come alive now. You'll be able to monitor, control, even legacy Rinnai products, but going forward, contractors can really benefit from the ability to monitor people's products. It helps their service offering, makes them more valuable, as well as allows the end user to control their product better.
The growing demand for tankless water heaters and the fact that the technology today is starting to take into consideration the U.S. household in how we use products here in North America, as opposed to taking a Korean or a Japanese product and adapting it to our market, is the fact that we're manufacturing products specifically designed for the U.S. market.
In 2017, there's several major trends. One of them is just the connectivity. The world is changing and getting more and more data rich, right? So we're actually connecting more and more devices. More and more devices are then going into the cloud, and we're doing analytics around them.
Full home solutions. Before it was just one room application, room edition type of products, but now they're going after a whole house solution. So you see products that can offer multi-zone solutions or air handlers that can handle multiple room ventilation.
The trends that we expect to see in 2017 and even well beyond are really products that are zeroing in on higher efficiency. We also expect to see some trends around connectivity. We think that people are going to be wanting to incorporate some smart features more and more into their different products, whether it's boilers or water heaters, such as what we do at Bradford White. I think that's what you're going to be seeing in the years ahead.
I think you're going to see a move more towards paying attention to what that circulator does, selecting the right one. It's no more, yeah, what do I always use? Give me the cheapest one, bam, that's it. I think the trend you're going to see is people really understanding the importance of circulator selection in residential applications. Because you can pick a circulator that's either going to limit the efficiency of the system, or you can pick a circulator that's going to enhance the efficiency of the system, make the whole thing work better, more efficiently, more economically, and last a lot longer.
I think our customers are really looking at, how do they get proactive with operations and maintenance, and certainly the energy component of that from a management standpoint. You say, well, they've always looked at that, but I believe there's really an increased emphasis as we see new generations, taking over those things, our millennials, other folks, and passing the baton to the largest generation that's being retired, me be included, in this next generation. So there's really an opportunity here to take advantage of the software and apply that knowledge-based systems and technology on the digital age.
We're seeing a significant need to reach out to contractors, mainly from a training perspective. About 30% of the industry is going to retire in the next 5 years. At the same time that's occurring, technology is changing at an exponential rate. So one of our key challenges is to reach out to contractors and provide many different training programs encompassing not only specific products, but new technologies to bring them up to speed.
I think on-the-job training is really important. We know that as customers invest in new technologies and new solutions for their buildings, they're going to be leveraging the manufacturers as much as they can to make sure that those products and those systems are going in the building.
Stay abreast with technology. Things are changing. So get the training on some of these new products. Stay abreast of what's coming around with the new refrigerants and more connected and smart equipment. Those are the big things, and those will be the trends through 17 and beyond.